here is how you're going to turn off the raise to wake feature on your Android phone. So if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So for this, we need to go to the settings app as usual, and from the main options and menus, we don't actually pick the display, even though you might expect it to be in here. It's not. It's part of the advanced features. So you can go to the advanced stuff and then proceed to the motion and gestures. And at the top, the first toggle for me is called lift to wake. And this is what I'm talking about. Like on the iPhone, it is called raise to wake. On Androids, it's usually called lift to wake, but it's pretty much the same thing where if you have it enabled and you lock the phone, you pick it up from the table, right? So let me do it again. You pick it up from the table like so, and it just lights up and wakes up. So that is the thing. It still doesn't unlock, of course. You need to scan your finger or face or type in the code, but it lights up, and that's probably what you wanted to do. So that's something that you probably were looking for. I hope that I was able to show it to you and explain it. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you in the future videos.